So here we are in Rhodes, and wow, we're walking through the city walls, which is where all the defences were. Thousands of people died where I'm walking right now, trying to invade the castle what is here, which is now the town centre. So yeah, let's go and check out Rhodes town. So yeah, here it is. There's the castle. As you see, you've got defences on both sides. And yeah, a lot of history here. Don't know if these are old like cannonballs or just been put here for decoration now as like a little walking route. But yeah, there'd have been archers on both sides here, attacking people as they come down, trying to invade into the castle. Absolutely fantastic structure, as you can see over the years though, where it's had some repairs there. Bit of the wall's still missing, but yeah, hopefully that will get repaired at some point. But for now, still an amazing structure. Don't know if these trees would have been here back then, but yeah, little crest up there of some sort. And these lightings, I'm guessing they wouldn't just knew they wouldn't have been there back in the day. Yeah. You can see the old turret holes where the archers would have been. Right, let's go and find the entrance, how to get into this amazing structure. Well, we must be getting near the entrance now because they've upped their defences, and it looks like there may have been some arrows hit this wall, or who knows what, could be anything. But yeah, it's definitely had some sort of impact coming from the defences on the other side. So yeah, hopefully just round this corner is where the entrance is. Yeah, you can definitely see these have been hit by arrowheads. Look at that. Loads of them. But yeah, let's crack on in this nice little area here. Looks like there's the entrance bridge up there. I don't know how we're going to get up there, but yeah. Hopefully there's some sort of stairs or something. So if you make it this far, you're greeted with some nice scenery here and an entrance. This is how we're going to get inside the walls. So even inside here, we have these amazing defences where they would have been shooting down to you as you come through. Is that one on the side there as well, or is that? Yeah, there's another one there where they would have been shooting at you. Yeah, so even if you made it this far, you still weren't going to get inside the city. In fact, there's more walls, another staircase to climb, and more turrets to get through. So yeah, would have definitely been getting shot at if you come through here as well. People are just using it as a rubbish dump now, but yeah, that would have been one where the archers would have been firing through. So here, some old cannons just outside the castle that run along the wall. They're still there. Yeah, just looking at these great defences. And this is where the archers would have stood, defending the walls of Rhodes Castle. So as you can see, inside the city walls these days is Rhodes Old Town. Town centre, shops, bars, restaurants, all sorts, loads of souvenir places. So yeah, this is a restaurant, Taravina. Taverna, whatever it is. Yeah. But yeah, there's plenty along here. We're going to be walking around the city walls and actually going inside this city because there's more inside there. So we just come across a couple of interesting structures. Got this great thing up there. Well, Karen's not going up. Why are you not going up there, Karen?
So I'm scared of heights.
Oh no. And then we've got like some sort of tower in the background there with some sort of round dome building and some stairs going up to it. So yeah. But as you can see, just more bars and restaurants and probably some shops. So let's go explore a bit more. So it appears this structure is the Rowley Clock Tower. It was built in 1852. And where's the English version? Discover the old town from above The most beautiful panoramic view from the highest spot in town. Free entry for children. Tickets include one free drink of your choice. There's no idea of how much it is. Probably ain't gonna go up there, but if you did, you just ran there. There you go, there's the main castle. That could be the entrance down there by the looks of it. Nice little extension they've got build coming out there, a bit of wood. Yeah, as you can see, we're at the shops area now. This one here is quite nice. Actually built around the city walls, a little back garden bit. Yeah. Let's go and catch up with Karen because she walks off all the time. Can never find her. Yeah, plenty of shops to look at. Let's get going. So you can get all your Gucci bags in here. Look at this one. 70 euros, 90. I mean, I don't think any of these are real in here, but charging the real sort of price. All Gucci, Chanel, all sorts. The bucket, Marc Jacobs. All your caps, jewellery, suitcases. Yeah, literally like whatever you could think of, but yeah, it'll be fake as hell for full price money. So I've just stopped for a nice drink in this Archidocki, whatever it's called. And this is inside the city walls, isn't it? They've actually built this, which is really nice. It's where the archers would have gone up in the old days, up the old stairs. So yeah, a nice little ornament up there. So yeah, gonna enjoy my beer now. Catch you on a bit. These must be the rich people of the town. Painted their gates gold. Yeah, we're still working our way down. Oh, it's a nice little building down there. But this one's quite nice the way it sticks out. Karen's still going through all the shops. There's hundreds through here. Most of it's all fake stuff, but maybe the odd few gems down here. Very overpriced compared to the rest of the island though. But yeah, very nice town. Here we have Natural Greca, Greek art house and the natural products. And we've got some nice wooden stuff here. Not too bad. Little honey sticks, some spoons. Yeah. Pretty nice. Might go and have a look inside. Look at this old style pub here. And then we've got a candy shop with a popcorn machine outside. Don't see that very often around. Yeah. I think we're nearly down. Well, I say we're nearly down. There's still plenty of shops down here. Little juice bar. Yeah. Get yourself some clothes. Monkey t-shirt. Yeah. Not bad. Some motivation to work out, yeah. Guy's doing a push-up and it finally goes back around. There you go, look at that. Pretty cool. Here we have an old site where they've dug up, showing you what the city used to look like before. Really nice here. So yeah, this would have been like people's houses. Would have been fantastic back in the days. But yeah, it's all still standing somewhere. It's all fenced off, obviously you can't go down there. But yeah, might have been like old tombs there, that. Fantastic. Just to see bits of this old city are still here standing among the new city they've built. Loads of wild cats running around as well. Look at that one, it's like a pamper, massive. As I said, the cats just own the place, they're just walking in and out of shops. But yeah, we've come to the end of the shops now. And this is my first view, along with yours, into this fantastic area here. It looked good for a distance, so I thought I'd film it as I walked in here. Got like a little water fountain in the middle. What's that to the left of me? That looks fantastic. What is that? Oh, it's part of the old castle wall there, look at that. There is more shops down there, I thought it was the end of the shops. And they carry on going down this way as well. Just shops everywhere. But yeah, this little water fountain here looks fantastic. Got a little cocktail bar there. Look at that clear blue water. Absolutely fantastic. Right, let's go find Karen. And here we have a lovely little garden area where it would have been overlooked by these fantastic buildings. Look at them. Absolutely amazing, some of these buildings. So yeah, they had a nice little square area to sit in with a nice little garden. So yeah, it's just amazing how big this place actually is. People who work in the restaurants are very pushy though. Try and get you to go in and have a beer. But yeah, here we are. On Rhodes Island, this one here. So yeah, this I think is the old entrance down to the harbour. Obviously they used to have all their imports and exports coming in and out from here, so they had to defend it in case any enemy ships come and try to invade them. But yeah, here we go. I got that wrong, that's not the entrance, there's the entrance there. Look at that. The old city walls with the old entrance on it. So yeah, this is inside the city walls, but obviously if anyone tried to invade by sea, you had to come down and stop them. So yeah, here's the old city wall defences from the sea defences. There's the castle thing we was at earlier. Yeah, these were just the actual defences to stop anyone coming in. But yeah, lovely little beach there as well. They could have come and had a few days down here relaxing until they see some ships coming in to invade. Another sea entrance. I'm going to show you the map of how big this place is. So we have literally just done like this area here, and that is all. The rest of the city is huge. I mean, it's a great hospital from the 15th century there. All sorts. Pause the video here if you want to have a look what's here. But it goes all the way up to number 71, all within inside these walls. And yeah, again, the Great Sea Barrier. Right, let's get back to the shops. So I made it to another nice area here, and come across this building here. I don't know if you've got to pay to go in, but guessing by the queue you do. Don't know quite what it is. I might go in there depending on how much it is and what it is. So yeah, let's go check it out. So it's the archaeological, whatever it is, archaeological museum. €6. So Karen don't want to go in there. She said it's boring, so we're not going there. So here we are back at some shops because Karen wants to come to this lovely location and not learn any history and just go shopping. What are you looking at now, Karen? Soaps, you can buy them anywhere. Oh. So yeah, we've come to this lovely city inside these walls, and instead of learning any history about it, Karen wants to go shopping. Yeah, we've got some more sort of like ruins here. Can't quite read what that sign says, but there you go. Well, there's the information centre, and we've got this lovely little building here. Goes up there, doors open up there, so people do use it. But yeah, we're leaving the city now. And oh no,
naughty postcard.
Karen wants some naughty postcards now. You finished shopping now, Karen? Yeah, you finished shopping? Right, we're going to go out the city now and get some actual scenic views of this place. The harbour looks amazing. Let's go. Again, the outside of this place just looks absolutely amazing. Look at that. Imagine living here years ago. Just old city walls, stairs going to nowhere. Look at that. This old derelict building there needs to be coming down. It was this. Hopefully they're going to rebuild it. Ministry of Culture and Sports. But yeah, we're outside of one wall. We're not outside the second wall yet. But yeah, we're going there now. We're just looking at these buildings. So here we are, walking outside the castle walls. And they've done something nice here. They've got some nice wood and stuff. But the other side looks a bit overgrown. God knows what's going on there, but you can see where the wall's taken a battering over the years. But yeah, we're outside the city now. We're going to go and check out a bit of the scenery outside, a bit of the sea and stuff like that. So here's the harbour, and then that's where it was earlier, the castle up there in the background. I'll zoom in so you can see it. But yeah, you've got this lovely little garden you can walk around on the outside. Very, very nice. Cruise ships coming over there. But yeah, just absolutely fantastic location. And then they've got a little market stalls everywhere over here. You've got a little boat trip area. If you want to take a boat trip, you've got all the massive £1 million plus yachts in the background here. All the rich people coming to check out Rhodes. But yeah, get your little pictures done with these street artists, little cafes, and then just around there where we come in earlier, there was a little market. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for Rhodes now. Might do a little bit by the bus stop to show you where it is, and how to buy your bus ticket back to wherever you're staying in Rhodes to get to Rhodes town. But yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in another one of my little holiday videos, because we are nearly there. This bus stop's literally just around this corner, but we're gonna go and buy a drink and stuff. But yeah, just there's some stuff in the background here. Got some towers over there. Just fantastic scenery around. But yeah. Another entrance over there. But yeah, that is literally the city done. Well, the old town city anyway, inside the walls. Outside, the place is massive. Come and check it out. So yeah, when you come back, you don't buy your ticket on the bus like you would on the way here. You have to go to the bus station and then go to the little ticket office, and then you order your ticket from there to wherever you want to go to. Where are we going back to? We're going somewhere there, the Viva Resort. Yeah, bus stop 5 we're going. Right, let's go and get our ticket. So we've got a 40-minute wait for the bus, so I thought I'd come and show you a bit more of the harbour and the buildings that are around it. So we've got this old style building here, like an old bell in it by the looks of it. There's a fort of type over there with a lighthouse in it. Looks quite nice. This is where you get your boat trips from. This one here is obviously the cheaper, probably more popular one. And then you've got like these little windmill things. There's 3 of them. There's a ship coming in over there. You've got like these little windmill things. They look quite nice. 3 of them there. And obviously you've got the castle wall in the background. But yeah, I just thought I'd come and show you a little bit more of the area here while I had a little bit of time spare. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Let us know if you've been to Rhodes or if you come into Rhodes, and if you're going to come to the town centre and have a look around. Hopefully this video helps you out in a way of showing you what sort of shops are here and stuff. But yeah, I've had a good day out here. I'm going to go and wait for our bus now. It'll be about another half an hour before it gets here. But yeah, really enjoyed it. Thanks for watching everyone, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.